Are you struggling to lose that extra weight? Are you trying to eat healthier with cucumbers, carrots, lettuce, and diet also? Or push yourself to runs and vigorous workouts? Maybe you hit the gym daily, but nothing seems to work, and you feel exhausted. If you are still looking for the perfect solution, I have something for you. In just 15 days, this simple diet can change everything. Introducing ENCLARE Nutrition Cologne Cleanse. This fast-acting detoxifier is designed to help improve bowel movements, relieve constipation, and promote gut health and vitality. This supplement is packed with probiotics, fiber, and laxatives for an effective natural cleanse. Here are the key benefits of ENCLARE Nutrition Cologne Cleanse 15-Day Detox. Aids nutrient absorption, helps your body absorb essential nutrients more effectively, supports digestive health, promotes a healthier digestive system. Flushes out toxins and waste, removes toxins and waste from the body for a natural detox, supports regular bowel movements, helps maintain regularity for better gut health, supports energy mood, boosts energy levels and improves mood. Supports a healthy diet, complements a healthy diet for overall wellness, supports immune health, strengthens the immune system, supports anti-aging, contains properties that help with anti-aging. This product link and details are in this video description. If you are interested about this product, go to the video description and click the product link for more details. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest product reviews, tailored just for you. Stay informed and make the best choices for your health and lifestyle. Thank you.